Okay, hey everyone, this is Miles from VRLersblog.com, here today with an alpha version of the first ice cream sandwich port for the Evo 4G that I know of, and it is a source port. So, please note that it doesn't have hardware acceleration yet. What it does have is Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, audio, carrier service, the touchscreen, obviously, and the data usage stats. So, excuse the lagginess, I'll go ahead and show you that this is, in fact, ice cream sandwich. So, as you can see there, Android 4.0.1. There's some kernel level version info there, 2.6.38.8, I believe. But yeah, it's pretty cool, despite the fact that it's really pretty laggy, just going around, swiping around the screen. But it does work, which is pretty good. As you can see here, you get this nice end of homepage animation there. It'll obviously all be much nicer when there is hardware acceleration, and the camera isn't working right now. But again, like I said, still cool. You get the new revamped blue highlight ice cream sandwich look there. If we go into the application menu there, this, I believe, will be vertically scrolling, same as Gingerbread, but what it adds is this widgets tab, which you can also get to similar to Google Music just by swiping over that way. And as you can see there, it's kind of low frame rate, but you do get that really pretty cool transition animation. And in terms of placement for these, you get a nice grid. It kind of makes all the home screens smaller. You've probably already seen this if you've seen the leaks of the Galaxy Nexus or the Nexus Prime. But warrants being mentioned nevertheless. Now, I don't have any contact information in here right now, but if I did, we get a similar interface. It's really nice looking. You should take a look at the Galaxy Nexus announcement event video for a full tour of it. But it's all basically ice cream sandwiches, really fine-tuned in terms of the UI. As I keep saying, it'll be nicer with hardware acceleration, and I will not review it until then to make a fair review. But here we have the dialer. It's a nice kind of neon, another blue highlight format there. I really like this design-wise, and it's easy to use. This is one of the few things that's working really smoothly on this. Another thing worth mentioning in this is the new running application area, and when you hold down on the home button now, instead of getting like a grid here of the running apps, just their icons, you get this honeycomb-like interface. And to close things, they actually built something in. You just swipe it from side to side there, either way, left or right. Similar to HP's deck of cards UI or cards UI or whatever that's called. You just swipe it to make it go away. You get the same interface there for the notification bar there. They've also revamped the messaging app. Now it's really pretty similar to stock Gingerbread, but it's a lot easier to differentiate between your messages and the person sending them to you. So that's always good. As you can see here, it has this port does have the official ice cream sandwich keyboard. You can actually get that right now on any Gingerbread phone. I'm not sure if it works on Froyo. Definitely doesn't work on Honeycomb. It causes a loop of forced closes. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Autocorrect on this new keyboard is excellent. So lastly, the browser. Now the browser is really pretty nice. It's working fairly well also. You get a similar to iOS tab interface here. So you just open them like that, and you can scroll around through them by pressing that button. Like I said, it's working pretty well already. It has smooth scrolling, which is really great considering that the hardware acceleration isn't here yet. But yeah, it functions pretty well. It seems to be a good UI, very usable. And I think that's it for this video. Feel free to post any questions you want. I'll link to the XD Developers Forum thread about the ice cream sandwich on the Evo if you want to download this yourself. It worked fine for me. It also works with the boot manager, so you can dual boot, which is actually what I'm doing now. And I think that's it. Again, feel free to post any comments or questions.